Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a certified 2018 Yamaha MT-09. This standard style sport bike has just under 5,400 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. This comes with silver and the high vis. You can see the tires on it are in good shape, plenty of miles left on that. This bike is all stock. Tell by the rear tire as well. Good tread on it. Looks like there's plenty of miles left on that. Show you those miles now. 5391 is what's on it. This 2018 Yamaha MT-09 is a certified motorcycle, which means it'll be going through our 53-point pre-sale inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.